I said, I've already got it out, so, and you can see I've got the original plug, if I can show it right there. So there you can see the original plug is loose. So that's going to go into the adapter, and then this will go in its place, and then we'll move on to the map sensor next. Okay, so the plug is in place. So I just wanted to show it in the correct orientation with the plug in and the lock is on. Make sure whenever you put these plugs in, you get a good solid click as they go into place. Sometimes with these gray locks, the plug will be always in and it will be all the way in, and you have to press on the lock a little bit and you'll hear it click. So the other thing I believe in is good cable management. So I've got the JB4 sitting over there. It's not secure yet because I still want to have a little bit of cable play, but I've got it in the orientation I want it to be in. I've got the cables routed out through the channel right there and have them routed out and down. And this one that's on top right now will route more cleanly in a moment. That'll actually be up and behind this reservoir. But make sure that when you route your cables that they route cleanly and away and they're not stuck in anything, they're not going to get burnt or overheated, because especially things like the turbo here, it's pretty darn warm. So, all right, so now we're going to move on to our sensor here and our ODBC connector, and we're almost done. Okay, here we are at the last sensor. I've pulled the original off. Again, you put in a flat bladed screwdriver or a pick, you lift gently and press downward. The original plug will come off. I've now added it to the adapter here. And then here is our plug that will go back into that sensor.